Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something truly powerful, yet incredibly simple, that you can do to feel calmer and more centered: meditation. You might have heard about it, perhaps seen people sitting quietly with their eyes closed, and thought it was something only monks or gurus did. But honestly, meditation is for everyone, and it's one of the best natural ways to reduce stress. Let's break down how it works and why it's such a game changer for your well-being. So what exactly is meditation? At its core, it's a practice of training your attention and awareness. It's not about emptying your mind or stopping thoughts. That's pretty much impossible. Instead, it's about observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment, and gently bringing your focus back when your mind wanders. Most often, we use our breath as an anchor. Think about your daily life. It's probably a whirlwind of to-do lists, notifications, worries about the past, and plans for the future. Our brains are constantly buzzing, and this constant mental chatter is a huge source of stress. When our minds are racing, our bodies react. Our heart rate might go up, our muscles can tense, and we might feel anxious or overwhelmed. This is your body's fight or flight response kicking in, even if there's no real danger. Meditation helps us hit the pause button on that constant reactivity. By focusing on your breath, even for just a few minutes, you start to activate your body's rest and digest system. This is the opposite of fight or flight. It slows down your heart rate, relaxes your muscles, lowers your blood pressure, and tells your body it's safe to calm down. Over time, with consistent practice, your body and mind learn to shift into this relaxed state more easily, even when you're not actively meditating. It's not about escaping your problems, it's about learning to respond to them differently. When you meditate, you create a little bit of space between yourself and your thoughts and feelings. You realize that you have thoughts, but you are not your thoughts. This simple shift in perspective can drastically reduce how much stress those thoughts cause you. You become more resilient, more focused, and better able to handle life's challenges without feeling completely overwhelmed. The beauty of meditation is that you don't need any special equipment or a lot of time. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. There are tons of free apps and guided meditations online to get you started. So if stress is a constant companion, why not give this ancient natural technique a try? It's a profound way to reconnect with your inner calm.